Hello, welcome to another outfit ideas video from me, Iris. My camera's dying because I've been filming for so long, so I have to be quick with this intro. This is a mix of outfits for like spring, summer, fall. There's a whole mix of outfits in here and I like my ideas, so I hope you like them too. As per usual, this is androgynous, unisex, etc. Let's just get into it. Immediately, my first outfit I was filming, my belt broke, so that's really sad. I have to figure out how to fix it. Normally I give you like a vibe for each outfit, and honestly I'm exhausted today, so we're gonna tell you the outfit details. This shirt is from Minga London. It says miss my pre-internet brain. I am adding a little rise to the low-waisted jeans with my Walksers. The belt is from Tunnel Vision. The jeans are from Alfred Eden. These shoes are from Outer. I'm not sure how to say it, and I love them. They're like cartoon shoes. Like, are you kidding me? They really are my vibe. I mean, I just love looking like an oversized toddler. The jean jacket is from Levi's. It's vintage, it's thrifted. My bag is from Baboon to the Moon. You're going to be seeing that a lot. And I've also been wearing a bandana a lot recently. So let's just get into the rest. Our next option is another denim on denim look. I thought this was very cute. I literally destroyed these shoes, guys. Like, I'm on a trip right now and I've been walking everywhere and they gave out on me. They're from Primark, so I deserve it. But the pants are from Liquid Lagoon. This crew neck is from Cool Shirts, and I decided you could try it, with the denim or with the leather. Also, I think they both look cute. Basically just blue jeans, a crew neck, and a little jacket choice, and some white sneakers. And we got the jorts, of course. I love the jorts. I wore this a lot when I was in Italy very recently, and literally this man was trying to get my attention and he was yelling Playboy at me. Like, he was like, Playboy, Playboy, Playboy. I didn't want to respond to that. But the top is from Person Soul. I love this tank top. I love the cut of it. The bandana, I feel like, just adds a little something something. It makes me feel very cute. And of course, I also have my Walksers to add some extra rise to the jorts. And of course, we have these white high top shoes. I love these shoes so much. I'm so sad they like broke on me. If anyone has any good suggestions for platform white high top shoes, please let me know. We got another one with the jorts. This one with a hoodie option, because I know it can be like kind of cold sometimes. It really just depends where you live. For me, like, this would be way too hot. The hoodie is from Liquid Lagoon, and what I'm showing you here is that you need to buy jorts. If you want jorts that look like this, you have to get them so they fit your hips, not your true waist. Because if you buy them to fit your true waist, they're not going to look like this. They're not going to look like all your fashion inspo that you've been finding online. You have to buy them to fit your hips. And if that feels too low rise for you, just get some Boxers to add a little extra rise with the waistband, add a little extra coverage, and you're gonna be happy. You're gonna be thrilled. I love having like the denim of the jorts with sort of like black and white all around it. I think that's kind of my summer look for this summer, at least. And yeah, I've just got my regular accessories, added the bandana for fun, the Baboon to the Moon bag, I almost called it a jacket. I don't know, I'm so tired. My Doc Martens, and then also I wanted to show you the other option with the white high top sneakers. All of these outfits are so customizable depending on what you have in your closet, what is specifically more your vibe. That's what I love about making outfits and sharing them with you, is that you can really customize it to what you have in your closet. I feel like I must have shown this in an outfit video before, but we're getting it again. So light wash, blue jeans, baggy jeans. I love baggy jeans. A simple like graphic t-shirt. This one has a butterfly on it. It's from Alfred Eden. Both the shirt and the pants are from Alfred Eden. The shoes are Doc Martens, and I also paired it with a tote bag. Everyone has a tote bag, and you can get whichever tote bag suits your fancy, and it's gonna look kind of like the same aesthetic, customized to you. And then I added my bandana and my sunglasses. I'm gonna apologize for the fact that I'm wearing a bandana in every outfit. Like, I just love it. I just love it so much. This one is from Brain Dead x Spotify. They did a collab, and I happened to receive that package, and now I have a bandana to wear. But I was already looking for a bandana because I believe it is the look of the summer. All the cuties are wearing them. All the hot people at the gym are wearing them. This bandana in particular, like, I feel like has made it, like, helps me pass a lot when I'm wearing it with like a more masculine outfit. So that's good for me. It makes me very happy. And then I also wanted to give you another little casual option with the sneakers. I think this also looks really good and kind of cartoony. I feel like an anime character, honestly. Okay, let's get a skirt in here. This skirt is from Tunnel Vision. It's paired with a belt over it, also from Tunnel Vision. If you haven't checked them out, I highly recommend it. They have really cool clothing and they're slow fashion, so slay. The shirt is from Minga living in London. Again, that's the Miss My Pre-Internet Brain shirt. I made a video recently where I was like, I like the shirt, but I don't like the fit of it. And now I've been wearing it a lot. So I'm eating my words. The leg warmers are from Amazon forever ago. These shoes are from Buffalo, my platforms. Love them, in love with them, etc. Once again, bag from Baboon to the Moon. And then you can also throw a little leather jacket over this. This one is from Alfred Eden. I think it looks really cute, especially because the skirt is pleather itself. So it's just a very cute look and very like femboy in my opinion. I also just love the sandy vibe. Like that's sandy outfit, sandy cheeks. Honestly, I think camo pants are a little bit of a wardrobe essential if you have an aesthetic similar to me. Like I feel like you can really dress them in a lot of ways. This one's in sort of a cooler way. This is something I would wear to like if I was going to a fancy dinner. When I'm going to fancy dinners, I'm honestly like just dressing like myself, but like in an extreme way that I think looks cool. I don't tend to dress formally because that's a losing battle for me, honestly. And this for me is like, that's a nice outfit. This is what I would wear. The pants, by the way, are from Person Soul, and I believe they are now available. So slay. I know I said in the past they weren't, but I think they are now. Here's a nicely replicable outfit. So we got some mid-wash blue jeans. I'm always trying things with multiple shoes. And then a graphic tee on top, a loose button up over that. And then I have matching shoes, bag, and I had a little hat on for a second, just the sunglasses. I like how I'm like referencing the color of the bag and the shoes, etc. I think this look is very cute. And I also think a sheer button up is such a great investment, especially for spring and summer. So in this outfit, which is trans colors, ha ha ha, slay. Hi everyone. I wanted to show you how accessorizing can change an outfit because that's what I've been really talking about recently. So you're going to see me add, the belt. Then I got the headphones, then I got the jacket, and then I have the bag. And suddenly the fit is way better in my opinion. So very simple. We've got the white high top shoes, light blue jeans, a hoodie, and then those accessories I said on top. Even looks good with a leather jacket. Honestly, I think a leather jacket and a denim jacket are your essentials if you want to dress like me. I changed the shoes to some Chelsea's for a slightly more chic look. And yeah, I think this is great. This is good for walking around, etc. If it's not super hot where you live, I think this is a really good option. This is definitely a little more fall oriented in terms of outfit temperature wise, so I get it if you can't wear this yet, but like keep this in the back of your head, okay? And if you want to copy me like exactly with a pink hoodie, etc., you can have a cute trans pride outfit. This is another basic summer fit that I think you've seen a million times or something similar to this, with just an oversized like white linen shirt. Linen is gonna be your best friend, some blue jeans, and then honestly whatever shoes you want. This will go with any kind of shoe. I added this brown leather bag from Portland Leather on top just to add like another layer, another accessory, make it a little more interesting. And I think this is super cute and just like effortless because it's really, really simple and you don't have to make all your outfits super complicated. And it's also really hard to wear a lot of layers in spring and summer when it gets a little warmer. So yeah, I also wanted to show you it's great with a tote bag. You can really dress this in so many different ways. Let's do a little pause for the accessories. So my choker is from Vitali, I think actually is how you say it. And then this little pendant is from Kindness and the gemstone one. I'm not entirely sure where that's from. Watch is from Casio. My rings are from Vitali, and also cool shirts, the little heart one. Bandana, as I said, it's Brain Dead x Spotify. These sunglasses are from Primark. They're my favorite shape. I love them. This bracelet is from Tunnel Vision. I like it as a little added black cuff on my wrist. The belt is also from Tunnel Vision. Headphones are Marshall Major 4, in case you're curious. I love them. These gloves are from Straight to Hell. They add a little extra layer. They're very cute. And then this bag is from Baboon to the Moon. I use it all the time. I love it. It's my favorite. This bag is Portland Leather, also really great. And then my tote bag, which you can find a special tote bag just for you anywhere. I wanted another option for the camo pants that is a little more casual. So we're going to pair it with a graphic tee this time instead, and a denim jacket on top, as well as my Doc Martens, which are going to match the shirt and the bag. I think this is a good look. This is going to look good with any kind of camo pant you're going to find. They're pretty good to find at thrift stores, actually. There are a bunch there. And if you want to bag your look, I recommend getting ones that fit your hip size, like I said with the jorts, just because bigger is better when it comes to baggy pants, and you can always use a belt to cinch them up a little bit. I got this also with the bandana for an added detail, but it's really unnecessary for this one, so yeah, keep it simple, keep it cute. I like it if you're feeling casual, if you're feeling slouchy perhaps, and this is going to be great for also hiding your chest because there's no tight-fitting clothing here, but not the best for the hottest weather in the world. For hot weather where you're really feeling like you need some shorts, jorts are going to be my go-to this summer for sure. Shorter shorts are a little more feminizing, so you know the vibe. I just paired this with my graphic tee. We basically saw this outfit before, but this is it with a graphic tee instead, which is casual, very simple. Everybody can do this. Everyone can copy this outfit. It's a slay. Okay, the gloves are finally coming into play. I kind of had the idea about the gloves like a year ago. I think I've had them for that long, and I don't feel like I've really showcased that. So I think that the gloves are a good like added accessory. I've seen like Conan Gray wearing them on stage, and that's exactly the vibe. So we were on the same wavelength. I want to say that I discovered this look independently. We've got the black slightly crop top that I've been wearing a lot, the blue jeans, and then like black everything else basically. When you match your accessories together, they're just gonna like pull the outfit completely together, and you'll notice like I've been kind of showing the basic outfit and then adding things to it because I want to show you that that will work for you. Okay, let's go casual again with the crew neck, but we're gonna do it with the sneakers this time. These Uter I don't know how to pronounce it, these cartoon shoes, that's the better word for them. The denim on denim, the crew neck, and the sneakers is just a classic look. Add a little black bag. I think this is very cute and chunky and just adorable and my vibe, and something I would go for if I'm feeling like I want to be a little more cozy and feel like myself, but not like super like cool trying to impress everybody. This for me is an errand outfit, or like a going to sit in the library outfit. So I recently got this dress. I love it. I think it's so gorgeous, and I wanted to show you me wearing a binder with a dress because I like dresses. I think they're really cool, but sometimes I'd be feeling the gender dysphoria in the dresses, which is not ideal. I realized I'm allowed to wear a binder with my dresses, and it feels cute and cool. This binder is from For Them. It's my new favorite. I think it's great. It's super, super comfortable and breathable. I wore this outfit out dancing at the club one night, so it's tried and true. And then for a little more spring summer look, I added the bandana and the tote bag. This is paired with my Doc Martens just because that's kind of what goes best with this dress. I could also pair it with some sandals, but I wanted to show you that if you want to wear a dress, you can add more masculinizing elements to it to make it a little more like andro. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, it would mean a lot to me if you like just comment an emoji, something like that. I don't know, just help me with the algorithm, please. It's fine though. If you made it this far, you're already helping me out so much. Right now, as you're watching this, I'm in Germany, so slay. I look forward to filming more videos once I get back. Honestly, filming this gave me ideas of outfits I want to wear, and now I have to bring more clothing than I was expecting, so it's your fault. My camera's about to die, so I will see you in the next one.